And so the samurai just wandered the hills called Ronin, and they just became swords for hire.
Yeah.
And so it's just exactly the same design. So these great Japanese movies that the swords out for hire in these towns were precisely the thing is
Greek with the other simultaneously. And they were like, this guy's going to be smart enough. This is the guy to get us out. Because this is after.
So he was another nerd.
He was a nerd. He was a nerd. But this is after 3 straight dubs. This is after Johnson Grant. 200 days in his office. Into office, he was on his way to a college reunion. He was at a DC rail.
College reunion?
He was going to a college reunion.
Wow.
There's
Joe shots.
He was going to do
beer bong.
He was going to go wild. He was shot twice in the back by a guy named Charles Guiteau. And Guiteau is very. I looked at him last night. He was a moron. He was a traveling moron who thought that he had campaigned.
Like a village idiot for traveling.
He would go fail in town to town, and everyone hated him.
Fail doing what?
He religious shit. He joined like a cult. They were like, this guy fucking sucks. Mm-hmm. Then he would be like, I'm gonna start a paper for that cult in a different town. He would fail. And he would go to like Boston and yell at people. It didn't work. He would just go around fucking up. And then he was in DC, and he started trying to get speeches on behalf of Garfield. So then when Garfield won, he was like, I did that. I want to be the fucking ambassador of Paris. And they were like, no. And he was like, how about the They're like, who are you? So then he got angry, and then he bought a gun. But he was kind of aware of the significance of it. He bought a bulldog revolver, and he couldn't afford the ivory handle.
Yeah.
So the guy selling the gun was like, all right, you can I'll give you the ivory handle. He was like, this is going to be one of these.
Is it?
Somebody lost it. There's a picture of it, yeah. But he shot him twice. And then he
How did he get close to him?
I think back then you could just walk. There was no secret service. You could just walk up on him and he yelled like, I'm here for
So he's then the fourth guy. So he was the second guy killed.
Yes. This is after.
Yeah. Second guy killed.
1884 is this is the first major media election. Papers are now starting to be partisan. Cleveland gets accused of having a kid out of wedlock. James Blaine was a crook. Yeah, pretty good. Then one lost the electoral to Benjamin Harrison. His hot 21-year-old wife said, in the White House, we're going to be back in 4 years. Pretty hot. Benjamin Harrison. She's still grandson of William Harrison. He didn't do anything. He actually did nothing. He would be at the office at noon every day and just go on. Just go upstairs. Yeah, just hang out.
Okay, so him and
So this is still just a run of horrific presidents.
Stinks. All
that
these
are
guys
just
stink.
destroying.
We're marching through the late 1800s.
1893, Cleveland gets reelected.
Yeah.
People like his hot daughter, and now their new daughter, or his hot
Right. Yeah.
and now their new daughter, Baby Ruth. Okay. You know the candy bar?
Yeah, but isn't that
Maybe. No. I think it's named after their daughter.
You know, it's named after Babe Ruth.
You gotta look that up.